Today we're here at Princess Cays. Now, in order for you to come to this island, you're going to need to sail on a Carnival or Princess ship. Today we are on the Costa Venezia, or what used to be the Costa Venezia, now it's the Carnival Venezia. So let's go and explore the island. Now, I will warn you, to get back onto the ship, you are going to need a government-issued photo ID, as well as your Sea Pass card. Otherwise, unfortunately, it's going to be a very emotional time getting back on the ship. So let's go explore. Surprisingly, this is a tender port, meaning you would be asked to board a lifeboat, which takes you to the island. Carnival has done a fantastic job in organizing this by having you pick up your tender ticket from the staff the day before. Times and locations for the ticket pickup, as well as the time you'll arrive at the island, and when you need to be back on board, can all be found in the Fun Times, Carnival's daily activity schedule, and is delivered to your cabin or found on the Carnival Hub app. While there are excursions that you can take, which include kayaking and a glass bottom boat tour, we decided to have a beach day here. They do have clamshells there that you can rent for the day, but they cost up to $45 for 5 hours and accommodate 2 people. Since we had 4 in our party, this would not make sense for us to do. There were, however, plenty of free chairs available. For those of us that decided to swim, the beach wasn't really rocky. They did, however, have a stronger current than we're used to, which took us by surprise. I love to snorkel, and the water was crystal clear, but there weren't many fish to see. There was also a straw market not far from the beach area. This was a fantastic place to shop for souvenirs. There was a wide variety to choose from, and the prices weren't too bad. The only downside was there weren't a lot of choices for souvenirs for children. The only issue we had on the entire island was that there was a free buffet. While it's great that this is offered, when we tried to take advantage of it, there was a huge line causing a 2-hour wait. For this reason, we decided to head back to the ship and have lunch at the Lido Marketplace. Overall, we would definitely visit Princess Cays again. This was the second time my family visited the island, while it was our friend's first time. It was really well maintained. The beaches were spotless and beautiful. The only improvement I